Roamless Mobility. eSIM honest review. Is it worth it? So I recently tried out Roamless Mobility, eSIM, and I have to say, I was pretty curious to see if it actually lives up to the hype. Is it really the best way to stay connected while traveling? Well, let's talk about it. Why I considered this eSIM. If you've ever traveled abroad, you know how expensive international roaming can be. I was looking for a solution that offered affordable data plans, easy setup without physical SIMs, reliable coverage in multiple countries. Roamless Mobility eSIM seemed to check all these boxes, so I figured, why not give it a shot? What I like about it: checkmark instant activation. No need to swap out SIM cards. Just scan a QR code and you're good to go. Wide coverage. Works in over 100 countries, which is great for frequent travelers. Flexible data plans. You can choose from daily, weekly, or monthly plans based on your trip length. No roaming charges. Since it's a prepaid service, there are no surprise fees or extra roaming costs. Supports dual SIM. If your phone supports dual SIM eSIM, you can keep your regular number active while using Roamless for data. So far, so good. But of course, no service is perfect. What's not so great? Alright, here are a few things I wasn't thrilled about. Limited call and SMS support. This eSIM is mainly for data. If you need to make calls, you'll have to use apps like WhatsApp or Skype. Coverage can vary. While it works in many countries, signal strength depends on local networks, so speeds may not always be consistent. Not the cheapest option. Some local SIM cards might offer better pricing for long stays. How it stacks up. I compared Roamless Mobility eSIM to a couple of other options. Similar global coverage, but slightly cheaper in some regions. Nomad eSIM offers better long-term plans, but has fewer country options. For me, Roamless Mobility eSIM is great for short trips and hassle-free connectivity. But if you're staying in one country for a long time, a local SIM might be a better choice. Final verdict: is it worth it? If you're a traveler who wants instant, hassle-free data without worrying about roaming charges, Roamless Mobility eSIM is a solid option. It's perfect for short trips, digital nomads, and multi-country travel, but it's not the best for long-term stays or voice calls. Would I recommend it? Yes, if you need a convenient way to stay connected while traveling, it's a great choice. That's it for this video. If you found this review helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss my latest reviews. See you in the next one.